So good morning everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we are in Wales. We are at Chirk Castle. That's not behind me just yet. That is the entrance way for this National Trust site, which is Chirk Castle here in Wales. We're super excited today as we're making just a pit stop here and then headed on to a campsite, as you'll see in our next video. You'll also notice that I've got my sunglasses and my cap on, which can only mean one thing, that it is hotter than it has been recently here in the UK. It's been very cold and it's been a very long winter. I don't know the exact weather because we don't have any internet at the moment, but it's UV3, which is one of the main things for me. So we're heading in now, and I will see you when we've scanned our membership. And we're heading in. So we've scanned our membership card and we're now in. This is just almost the foyer area, if it was a theatre, toilet, shops, etc, etc. I think I've been pronouncing it wrong though. It's Chirk Castle, not Kirk. Can't even remember what I said in the last video. I might have said it correctly. Beautiful site, lovely day. It's 18 degrees, UV3. Super excited. We're going to head on in. We've got Lilo with us today. Coco is at home. Coco doesn't really like coming on holidays, so she stays at home with my granddad, our granddad. So yeah, Lilo's here. She's got a fixed short lead when we're in the garden area because they have to be on a fixed lead. But yes, enjoying it so far. So we're walking up to the castle at the moment, and then we're doing a route around the castle. I don't think we're going in the castle. I think we're going this way. But yes, it's a lovely site, as most National Trust sites are. Obviously haven't visited them all. We've been to Stowe the most, I would say, because that's quite near to us. But this is beautiful. It's a lovely day for it. The leaves are starting to come out, some blossom on some trees near our house especially. But this is lovely. If I spin you around. Beautiful. And it's just so nice to have some sun in England after what has felt like a very, very long winter of just gloominess and clouds. I get so fed up of it, so this is lovely to see. So we're just walking through the gardens right now, and on the right is the castle, and then here's the gardens, beautiful gardens. On a lovely day. So we're just walking down to what I believe is the dungeon. That's from what I believe. I could be completely wrong. I'm also, it's much harder to see when you've got sunglasses on.
And it's very uneven.
And it's
careful.
Uneven steps, as you may be able to see. I'm holding on to this rope, hoping it almost doesn't fall. Oh, just fell over.
Oh wow!
It's quite hard to see. Look at this.
Cold.
It's really cold. This is really weird as well.
There are several tantalising records of prisoners being kept at Chirk Castle. In the painted roll of 1422, Thomas Strange, the castle constable, is commanded to procure horses, carts and men to take 15 French prisoners to the Tower of London to Chirk.
So we've just been down, but now we are going up. This is one layer. Just a small room in here with a nice view out and a model of the castle. Oh wow, it goes on. I think I might be able to hear Daddy coming up the stairs. There's a few stairways in here. This is like prison bars. Bit creepy, if you might. So we've just been down to the dungeon and up to the Adam Tower, and now we're heading back in the garden after a small snack break. Such a lovely day. Not too hot, but not too cold. Wind's got a nice breeze to it as well. And then here's Lilo, just here. The camera wants to point down to her, there we go.
Hydrangeas.
Yeah, they are.
I've looked at that, it's lovely, isn't it?
We were just walking down one of the routes and I spotted redwood. I love redwoods so much. If I spin you around, look at these trees. Look at that. They are so impressive. I mean, they used to be on my Mac Mini's wallpaper. It's now worth some Disney pictures from last time. But redwood is so beautiful and the trees are just ginormous. Crazy. We're just in the middle and there's an obstacle course here that Oscar is enjoying. You have to try and get...
Just before this, I got it in here. You did?
You have to try and get the bean bags in the bag.
I think she's going to go fetch them.
And there's other obstacles, hurdles and things like that. We have finished our time here at Chirk Castle and have thoroughly enjoyed it. And now we are on to our next adventure, which is our camping adventure in Betsy Coed. And you can join us on our next video for that. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe when you subscribe, turn that post notification bell on. So when we upload a new video, you can be one of the first people to watch it. Bye everybody!